Exporting a PDF to an image-only PDF can protect its content from being searched, modified, and edited. Take this file as an example. First, click Tools and select Export to Image-Only PDF in the File window. Then select Save Location, and we have 4 paths for choice: WPS Cloud, Google Drive, Add Cloud Storage, and Location. Here we select WPS Cloud and click Export to Image-Only PDF. Wait for a preparing document. When the conversion is finished, we can see a View Now button in a hover prompt. Click View Now to open the targeted image-only PDF. Then click Edit. When selecting Text Editor, we can't see edited text on the page. When selecting Edit Image, we can edit the PDF by a single page. Now the PDF pages are presented as pictures. We can also click the Tools icon on the top right and then select Export to Image-Only PDF for quick conversion. Did you get it?